Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. So finally I decided to make this video and share to you guys my iPhone 16 Pro Max case collection. Next one, like I said, is the fuchsia. I really love this case. This is the first case that I bought along with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I remember I went to the store, bought it online with this case. We had the sound there, but there wasn't any ring. The new software, the beta that I always download, I think sometimes it gets kind of confused or still laggy. That's why it's not giving us the ring right here, but I'm still gonna try here. There you go. After the fourth try, I have this case from Must-Novo. I think I got it during Halloween last year. Cute Must-Novo like expression faces or smileys in there. I like that you can actually also wear this even if it's not Halloween, because it's just saying radiate positivity and all that with the smiley and some X in the eyes. Yeah, I like this. That's why I got it. I love that the sides of this one, even if it's just 16 bucks, it is very soft. Volume down and then volume up. It's different dimension. The sides of this case is really soft. Some of you will say the price is right. I agree. For people that just buys this kind of pricing, and the case is very durable. Such a good brand. I recommend this. Another Halloween case that I got from Velvet Caviar. This ghosted one. Sucks that I only am able to use this one time. The Velvet Caviar ghosted case. It has a lot of glitters. That's why I love this case. The only problem with this that I was experiencing is it is slippery. I kinda attach a pop socket or any phone holder so that I don't drop this. Okay, let's try this here. Velvet Caviar cases are so tight and I'm very annoyed with a high screen right here. But again, this is their trademark. And I love that it matched with our Desert Titanium case. The Desert Titanium is so clean, it looks white in there, but it's not. I love it. It's so pretty. I think I would still wear this even if it's not Halloween. The sides are soft, which I'm gonna continue playing Ariana's song and volume down and then turn off the screen. The next case is going to be this case from Casemate. Gonna be my summer case too. I love a square iPhone case. This is my only square iPhone case. It looks so good. So what I love about this is the sides are very clear. Remember now, there's something wrong with the sides of this case. It didn't quite get into the buttons. So right here, something is wrong right here. But it has really good sides though. It's really soft and easy access to the camera control. I love this color. It's bright if you like bright colors. If you only have 40 bucks and you want to spend a really durable case, then don't buy this. It was late for me to return it, so I just kept it. It's not aligning. There's some material that's missing in this part right here. That's why it's not adjusting well. Next case here is this case. This is the Apple clear case that stayed bottomless. This is the only Apple case that I hate. And it's also slippery. It's annoying. I gave this a chance. One day I saw, oh, it was on sale and I wanted a like high quality clear case. I should have learned my lesson. This is not high quality. It doesn't have a covering in the bottom. It's not a great case. It's hard to take it off too. This is the last time that I'm gonna get this and never will buy this again. I don't think this is for iPhone 16 Pro Max. Not this one too. This velvet caviar. I love this case because, of course, it's really fun. I bought this specifically because it looks really colorful. You know me, I like colorful cases, so I got it. Let's try it in here. So it's easy to put it on. It's easy to put it in, put it on, and also the sides smooth. Let's try a song again. It's okay. The buttons are okay. It's not like I'm still not over you. It's so strange, this I never do. Like I said, the sides are not bad. Yeah, it's soft in some areas. I think this is the disadvantage of the velvet caviar because they get slippery over time. Next case, this is from Casetify. This is given to me by Casetify Hong Kong. And thank you, Casetify, during my birthday last October. I was so excited. It was really fun. I love this. I picked this one because, like I said, I like colorful stuff. The design on this case. And I like the black corners too, black sides, and also it is MagSafe. Let's try it in here. I also use this a lot just because it gives me a fun vibe and happy vibe. So that's why I wear this when I'm shopping or sometimes when I'm getting groceries. Pink or blue getup. It's actually matching with our clothing today. We have this case. This is another Apple. Oh, this is the ultramarine. Why did I forget? See, that's the disadvantage, or that's the problem of owning a lot of case, guys, because I forgot already what I have. I know a lot of you likes this case. I like it too. But I think I've told you guys that this is the third case that I love from the Spring Apple Case collection. This case right here from Casetify again. And this is the bounce version. And the corners is actually gonna protect your phone from drops. And this is extreme protection. And the weight is mild. Though it's a little bit bulky, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is already big. Corners of this case are also making it even more big and so hard to hold. So that's why we have this it's a wrist holder, I think, and this will actually help hang it on your wrist. With this corners, you can actually use it too because it's a little bit big, so you wouldn't really struggle. Yeah, this is my way of protecting my phone from drops with one hand. And the iPhone 16 Pro Max is so heavy. Drop it like so and I can go do my thing. This has really soft sides here. I just can't believe you happened. Another Casetify, which is this one. I picked this one because I don't really have a lot of purple cases. I live in the cherry capital. That's why I picked this one. So there's cherries and it shows the Casetify, and it's also a clear MagSafe. I love the purple sides all around it. I'm gonna show you guys the camera control axis right here. Easy. Though I wish there is a covering there like the Apple. It's very uncomfortable. I have to dig in there. Just a lazy me. It's not too bad. I think this is the last one right here from Velvet Caviar. This is the fancy glittery with rhinestones in it. We'll open it. Ta-da! So glittery. It is really bright in the inside. It's like fuchsia, velvety inside, and then the name of Velvet Caviar. It has a lot of rhinestones. I think Velvet Caviar said that they made this by hand, which is really amazing. Their logo right here. It's really sparkly and I love it. Did a good job on this one. This is very precious to me. Again, with our wallpaper here, it looks really pretty and the sides is really soft. Let's play a song again. Let's play her old song, Thank You, next. It's not old. The sides is so soft. I always plan ahead whenever I wear this. I treat this very nicely. If I'm going out or if I have a celebration, I'm going out for a party or like maybe anniversary, I would definitely wear this. It is very precious and I don't really want to use this for every day just because it's really special. So just for special occasions. I have cases for rustic. My Apple cases is for my everyday. It's amazing that these cases are a part of my life. Over the years, Apple has released different kind of cases and I kept them just because I want to see the evolution of Apple cases. So we still have this pink sand battery case. But look at that pink sand lightning thingy there that would go inside your phone. This is ridiculous, but at that time when it was released, everyone was freaking out and was very excited. This one is a leather case, no bottom right here, so that's so crazy. Back then, we were using it even if we think that it didn't really protect the bottom of our phone, but actually when I was using it that time, it didn't really break the bottom of my phone. It doesn't have a bottom now. It has a bottom, has a MagSafe. It already has a camera control. I hope I'm not missing any cases here, but I think that is all. These are all my cases. Let me count them. I can't even carry it, guys. That's 19 cases right there. 19 cases. Wow. Most of them are pink, by the way. Let me make it as a fan here, if I can do it. It's probably a big fan. Let me make them really close to each other. 19. I need another one to make them even. I hope I told you all the stories about these cases. I love them all. I will protect them with my life. Nobody will steal them. We have 4 more months to add more cases. I don't think I'm gonna get another one. I'm a Pinocchio right now. We'll see. I will update you guys if I got another one. My obsession, I will forever buy cases even if I'm 100-year-old. Thank you so much for joining me in showing you or sharing to you my iPhone 16 Pro Max case collection. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!